Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. Rating the performance of a PC case often comes down to two key factors: how efficiently it moves air and how effectively it minimizes noise. NZXT's latest H7 Flow tower delivers impressively on both fronts. As its name suggests, airflow is a major focus, and the case backs that promise with beautifully perforated panels that not only enhance cooling but also add a premium, modern aesthetic. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy chassis, clean edges, and thoughtful design touches throughout. NZXT also includes 3 strong 120mm intake fans right out of the box, offering great value at its reasonable $129.99 MSRP. In everyday use, the H7 Flow feels refined and high quality, and it looks even better once fully built. Thermal performance in testing is outstanding, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a high airflow mid-tower chassis in 2024. The internal layout has been redesigned for easier cable routing, allowing even beginner builders to achieve a clean, organized look with minimal effort. The case is also highly accommodating for liquid cooling setups, supporting large radiators for users planning advanced cooling configurations. Supported motherboards: ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ATX. Drive bays: 2x internal 3.5-inch, 2x internal 2.5. Front I/O: 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, HD audio. Window: tempered glass. Fan support: 7 positions, 3 fans included. Max GPU length: 410mm. Max CPU cooler height: 185mm. PSU support: ATX, up to 270mm. Dimensions: 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 in. Weight: 24.3 pounds. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Building a PC case that feels like a DIY project even before installing any components is exactly the charm behind the Qube 500. This clever, customizable chassis embraces an assemble-it-yourself approach, giving builders an experience that feels a bit like putting together a stylish piece of IKEA furniture, except the final result is a compact, attractive PC case. Available in several fun color options, the Qube 500 stands out with its playful design while still offering impressive practicality. Despite its compact footprint, it supports full-size ATX motherboards and standard ATX power supplies, making it surprisingly versatile for its size. For its price, the Qube offers above-average value and a uniquely enjoyable building experience. The hands-on assembly ethos makes this case ideal for DIY enthusiasts, families, or anyone looking to make their PC build more memorable. Once assembled, builders get a sturdy, well-designed chassis with swappable face panels that allow them to refresh the aesthetic whenever they want. It's not just fun to build, it's a genuinely solid case with airflow options, tempered glass visibility, and a contemporary layout that supports modern hardware. Supported motherboards: ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ATX. Drive bays: 4x internal 3.5-inch, 3x internal 2.5. Front I/O: 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, HD audio. Side window: tempered glass. Fan support: 3 positions, 1 fan included. Max GPU length: 368mm. Max CPU cooler height: 175mm. PSU support: ATX, up to 215mm. Dimensions: 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 in. Weight: 17 pounds. Number 3. In-win A3. We often use the boxing phrase punching above your weight class to describe someone who performs far better than expected, but that same idea applies surprisingly well to the in-win A3. This micro ATX case is only slightly larger than the usual footprint for its category, yet that extra bit of space brings major advantages. With its clean, modern design and in-win signature styling cues, the A3 is an appealing option for compact PC fans who want small form factor builds without feeling forced to compromise on performance or airflow. Micro ATX is a unique middle ground size that many high-end builders overlook, but the motherboard options in this class often deliver the best price-to-performance value. The in-win A3 embraces this sweet spot, giving builders the ability to create a powerful, efficient system while still saving space. Its internal layout is optimized for cooling, offering excellent thermal performance relative to its size, something competitive micro ATX cases often struggle with. For users balancing performance needs with a desire for a smaller footprint, the A3 stands out as a smart, capable choice. Supported motherboards: Micro ATX, Mini ATX. Drive bays: 2x internal 3.5-inch, 3x internal 2.5. Front I/O: USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, HD audio. Side window: tempered glass. Fan support: 5 positions, 1 fan included. Max GPU length: 340 mm. Max CPU cooler height: 162 mm. PSU support: ATX, up to 200 mm, top-mounted. Lighting: addressable RGB fan included. Dimensions: 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 in. Weight: 11.6 pounds. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB Matcha Green. This bold green chassis doesn't just stand out on your desk, it also offers impressive value that can help you save money on your PC build. The Thermaltake View 270RG ARGB delivers a range of features normally found in more premium cases, yet it stays comfortably under the $100 price point. With modern USB Type-C support, full wraparound tempered glass panels, 3 vibrant ARGB fans included, and dust filters at every intake and exhaust location, it's hard to find another case that offers more for so little. Its eye-catching pistachio green finish makes it even more distinctive, though it's also available in white and a stunning hydrangea blue for builders seeking different aesthetic vibes. Thanks to its outstanding overall value, it easily earned our Editor's Choice Award. The View 270TG isn't just stylish, it's a practical, performance-ready ATX case ideal for gaming system builders who want to stretch their budget further. Its spacious interior supports high-end components while maintaining strong airflow and ease of installation. Despite the affordable price, the case feels premium, offering build quality and features that make it look like it should cost significantly more. Supported motherboards: eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ATX. Drive bays: 2x internal 3.5-inch, 2x internal 2.5. Front I/O: USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2x USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A, HD audio. Side window: tempered glass. Fan support: 6 positions, 3 ARGB fans included. Max GPU length: 428 mm. Max CPU cooler height: 180 mm. PSU support: ATX, up to 280 mm. Dimensions: 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 in. Weight: 14 pounds. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. Created in collaboration with renowned German small form factor specialist DAN Cases, the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX brings a thoughtful new approach to micro ATX design. While it's slightly larger than a traditional compact chassis, it remains far from bulky and offers an excellent balance of space, hardware support, and usability. This just right sizing makes it a Goldilocks-style micro ATX case ideal for the majority of builders in 2024 who want something smaller than a full tower but roomier and more flexible than most SFF designs. With its smart layout, sturdy construction, and competitive pricing, it's no surprise the A3-mATX earned an Editor's Choice Award for outstanding value. The A3 shines when used for practical, performance-focused builds rather than flashy showpieces. It's especially well-suited for air-cooled systems that don't rely on massive liquid setups or oversized GPUs. Due to the limited cable management accommodations, The case works best with Lian Li's solid side panel, allowing users to prioritize clean airflow and functionality over interior aesthetics. Even so, finding another micro ATX chassis that matches its capability, flexibility, and build quality at a similar price is a challenge. Lian Li and DAN's collaboration succeeds as a thoughtful, budget-friendly option for everyday builders. Supported motherboards, micro ATX, mini ATX. Drive bays, 1x internal 3.5-inch, 3x internal 2.5. Front I/O, USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, 2x USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A, HD audio. Side window, optional accessory. Fan support, 4 positions. Max GPU length, 425 mm. Max CPU cooler height, 165 mm. PSU support, ATX, SFX, SFXL, front-mounted. Dimensions, 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 in. Weight, 10.8 pounds.